The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartphone launches of recent years, packed with groundbreaking features and innovations that are bound to turn heads. Set to be unveiled on January 22, 2025 at the Galaxy Unpacked event in the United States, this series marks a pivotal moment for Samsung, both in terms of design and performance. Recent updates confirm that all models in the lineup, the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and newly rumored 25 Slim, will exclusively feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, marking a significant departure from the earlier plan of using the Exynos 2500 chip for select models. This shift stems from production challenges with the Exynos 2500, ensuring consistent performance across the entire range. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset brings substantial upgrades in CPU and GPU performance, elevating the Galaxy S25 series to new heights. Gamers in particular will appreciate Qualcomm's Adreno Motion Engine 2.0 and Snapdragon Game's Super Resolution, which enhance resolution and frame rates while managing heat more efficiently. These advancements promise an immersive and responsive gaming experience, making the S25 series a compelling choice for performance enthusiasts. Adding to the excitement, Samsung is doubling down on AI-powered features and refining its One UI software to deliver an even more intuitive and seamless user experience. The Galaxy S25 series isn't just about raw power. It's also setting new benchmarks in design. The official teaser hints at a flatter middle frame and redesigned camera rings, providing a sleeker, more modern aesthetic. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra stands out with its ultra-thin bezels, the thinnest among 2025 flagship smartphones, and will be available in striking colors like Bing Gold, Jade Green, and Jet Black. For those seeking a more compact option, the Galaxy S25 Slim promises high-end performance in an incredibly slim form factor, measuring just 6mm in thickness. Despite its compact size, it shares impressive camera capabilities with the Ultra, featuring a 200MP main sensor and a 50MP ultra-wide angle lens. Pre-orders for the Galaxy S25 series will open on January 24 and run through February 3, with early access starting February 4. The official release in South Korea is slated for February 7, 2025. However, prospective buyers should brace for potential price increases, particularly in South Korea, due to rising exchange rates and the high cost associated with TSMC's advanced 3M chip manufacturing process. Despite these challenges, Samsung aims to strengthen its foothold in the premium smartphone market by offering a compelling mix of innovative features and cutting-edge technology. Camera enthusiasts will be thrilled with the rumored improvements in the S25 Ultra's camera system. Reports suggest the return of the 10x optical zoom, a 50MP ultra-wide camera upgrade, and enhancements to battery life. These upgrades are expected to position the Galaxy S25 Ultra as a strong competitor to Apple's flagship iPhones, offering professional-grade photography capabilities and extended usability. Moreover, Samsung's focus on refining its software experience ensures that the S25 series provides a fluid and user-friendly interface bolstered by next-gen AI capabilities. Another exciting development is the potential introduction of an ESIN-only variant in the US, signaling a shift towards more streamlined and futuristic connectivity options. While this remains unconfirmed, it reflects Samsung's commitment to staying ahead of industry trends. Additionally, leaks reveal that the Galaxy S25 base model will start with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, a significant upgrade from its predecessor. This increase in memory and storage ensures smoother multitasking and ample space for apps, photos, and files, eliminating the immediate need for external storage solutions. Samsung's enhanced Bixby AI assistant is another highlight of the series. This next-gen assistant promises smarter integrations, leveraging data from calendars, emails, and browsers to provide a more intuitive user experience. Whether it's real-time image enhancement or predictive text, Bixby's new capabilities aim to make everyday tasks more efficient and personalized. As AI becomes a cornerstone of modern smartphones, these advancements position the Galaxy S25 series as a leader in intelligent device functionality. In a market increasingly defined by fierce competition, Samsung is making bold moves to maintain its edge. The Galaxy S25 series represents a culmination of technological innovation and user-centric design, setting a new standard for flagship smartphones. With just weeks to go before the official unveiling, the excitement is palpable. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography aficionado, or someone simply looking for a premium device, the Galaxy S25 series promises to deliver something exceptional. So, mark your calendars for January 22, 2025 and get ready for a launch that could redefine the smartphone landscape. From cutting-edge hardware to next-level software experiences, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is poised to leave a lasting impression. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What are you most excited about in this series? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest tech trends.